Hey Facebook, it's Brianna again. Follow me on IG at hairbow_pink. It's my day off, so I decided I'm going to make a video of my version of Nicki's verse for Play Another Song for the Money. Here it goes. I'm snatching all these wigs, I'm snatching all these twigs. He's saying that he liked me, but he never really did. See, I like pretty shit, and I like pretty pink. That shit you was wearing was cool last week. And I could only come if you're coming from the front. If you're coming from the back, then you gotta take it back. You can find me on Facebook, Brazil Hairbow. Press on my chat. See, I am who I am. Brianna F. motherfucker. If he's saying he don't like me, he a lying motherfucker. I wear a lot of French weave, so I speak a little French. We, Bedford boy, time for you to hit the bench. Indecisive, so I always gotta snatch too. I guess that's why I got your boyfriend and your freak too. I told Drew to put me back in the booth before I put this hairbow on your chip tooth.